Boom, shaka. Yeah, Jungle Boy can use an axe. Now let's test out the Wright GNS. Okay, this is the convex grind version of this Wright GNS, and I want to see if it held up to all that betoning of Ohia. So let's see. Oh yeah, still razor sharp. Yeah. So it's feather sticks like a dream. And this type of ironwood, or you consider it kind of a redwood ironwood, is different than the Australian ironwood that you see me use by the coast. It's more of a redwood. The other ironwood is from Australia. Yeah, I'd say that makes some nice curls. This wood isn't the best feather stick. It's all tons of knots. So let's try this straight piece right here. It's all twisted as well. Oh yeah, Wright. Yes, there's a reason why I like their knives. Look at that. Came razor sharp. I've been using it for about a week, and it's still, after betoning all this, that convex grind and edge. Wow, it's perfect. So this is the aeb-l steel. I believe that's the name of it. It's kind of a stainless steel. I guess it was meant to make razors, and it definitely holds up even at that thin stock, which I got this knife for a carving bushcraft knife, and I wanted a thin stock, and I was worried. But hey, you got an axe and this knife, you're set, you're ready to go. And I really enjoyed using the Council Tools Woodcraft axe. That was awesome. So let's make some feather sticks here, just for fun. Yes. Good feather sticks. Okay, Rooster. Wow, I love this knife. Wow, it's like so easy. Okay, okay, we get you. If the sun's going down, you're bringing it down. It's good for you. So easy to make feather sticks. Wow, wow. Getting that in the camera. Awesome. Amazing. Ooh. Rooster approved. I bet you've never seen an axe chop down a papaya tree. Well, I'm going to chop down this junk papaya tree. It's not doing very well, and it's taking much needed nutrients from other plants. So I'm going to chop down this papaya tree, so don't get mad at me. It's on my own property. Here we go. Axe work in the jungle. There we go. Woo. See, this papaya is just not very good. It's not producing like we want it to. It's gotta get chopped up. Yes, a machete is preferred with this type of plant. But hey, I'm using an axe today. Achha! Boom, Jaga. No problem. Got the axe in the jungle. very hot. And this is actually the habanero, not the jalapeno one. I don't know why I call it the jalapeno. This has habanero in it. Chicken sausage. Oh, broke the mouth. If I don't burn the mouth first. Mmm, so good. Habanero chicken sausage. Wow. Jungle approved right there. Dank. Okay, so I will do reviews and further videos with these blades and the axe, these tools here. And if you want to buy any of these, I will provide a link in the description box where you can go buy at least the Council Tools axe. I don't know if you can get the Wright GNS on Amazon. I'll check it out. But check out the description box, and if you like these tools, you can buy them, and that helps support the channel. So far, I am very impressed with the Wright. This is an awesome knife. I'm really digging it. And I like the Council Tools axe. I think that's pretty cool. The pack axe is nice. Both of these are high quality for sure, American made. So I'm going to finish this sausage here, and then I hope to see you on the next video. And so hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, share this video, comment on this video. I love all your comments. And make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And make sure you hit the red subscribe button for further content. And until next time, hello. Wow, delicious. Oh yeah.